In the heart of the digital frontier, a groundbreaking force is emerging, poised to redefine the very essence of artificial intelligence. Enter Google Gemini, an extraordinary leap into the future, where machines not only comprehend our words, but grasp the intricate dance of images, sound, and context. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting to talk about. Google Gemini, the next big thing in AI. I promise I won't waste your time. This video is going to be a game changer. Join us on this enlightening journey as we unravel the intricate layers of Google Gemini, a giant leap towards a truly universal AI model. But before we jump into the technical stuff, let's understand the mission behind Gemini. Sundar Pichai, Google's CEO, emphasizes the timeless mission of organizing the world's information. We've all been curious about AI from the start, and Gemini isn't just another AI model. It's designed from the ground up to be multimodal, seamlessly conversing across various types of data: text, code, audio, image, and video. This is a breakthrough. It's not just good at one thing but excels in numerous areas. It's clear that Google DeepMind is committed to pushing the boundaries of AI, and we can expect exciting developments with Gemini. So what does all this mean for the future of AI and the applications of Gemini? Well, first and foremost, it signals a new era of multimodal capabilities. Gemini's proficiency in combining text, images, audio, and video opens up a multitude of possibilities across various domains. Gemini's ability to generate tailored interfaces and responses based on multimodal inputs can revolutionize user interactions. From educational content to entertainment, users can engage with AI in a more dynamic and personalized way. The reasoning and problem-solving capabilities demonstrated by Gemini, whether in helping with homework or extracting information from research papers, indicate a potential for tackling complex tasks across different fields. The prospect of combining Gemini with robotics suggests a future where AI systems can physically interact with the world. This could have profound implications for industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and more. The focus on reinforcement learning for improving AI agents' decision-making capabilities shows a commitment to advancing the reliability and dependability of these systems. With ongoing research and innovations, we can anticipate continuous improvements in future versions of Gemini. This could involve refining existing capabilities, introducing new modalities, and addressing potential challenges or limitations. Its multimodal capabilities, coupled with ongoing research and a vision for the future, make it a powerful tool with the potential to shape diverse industries and enhance various aspects of our lives. We're witnessing the dawn of a new era in AI, and the journey is bound to be both fascinating and transformative. And here's the jaw-dropping part. Gemini's capabilities have been put to the test, and it outperforms other models in critical benchmarks. From complex tasks to efficient on-device testing, Gemini is setting new standards. As we delve into the future of Gemini, the mathematical foundation becomes even more crucial. The model's adaptability and learning capacity hinge on mathematical formulations that facilitate continuous improvement and evolution. The interplay of linear algebra, calculus, and probability theory within Gemini's architecture enables it to navigate vast datasets, identify nuanced correlations, and refine its understanding over time. The mathematical elegance of Gemini not only empowers its present capabilities, but also serves as a compass guiding its trajectory into the future. The collaboration between mathematical ingenuity and technological innovation will pave the way for increasingly sophisticated AI models, with Gemini at the forefront of this mathematical renaissance in artificial intelligence. But with great power comes great responsibility. Google DeepMind emphasizes the importance of safety and responsibility in AI development. They've implemented proactive policies and rigorous testing to prevent any potential harms. Now let's move beyond the technicalities. What you're about to see are Gemini's multimodal capabilities in action. From recognizing images to answering questions and even helping with homework, Gemini is a game changer. Fast forward to the benchmarks and hold on to your seats. Gemini Ultra has surpassed GPT-4 in 7 out of 8 categories, making it the top-tier language model currently available. It's not just about language. It's about redefining what AI can do. What's next for Gemini? Well, it's not just about language anymore. Google DeepMind is exploring how Gemini might be combined with robotics to physically interact with the world. Imagine the possibilities. And here's the kicker: next year promises even more. With a focus on reinforcement learning, planning, and reasoning, Gemini is gearing up for rapid advances. Get ready for some groundbreaking stuff coming your way. In the great AI war of 2023, Google found itself in the crossfire, battered by Microsoft's relentless blitzkrieg. But just when it seemed like Google had surrendered, a new player emerged onto the battlefield. GPT-4, the game changer that captured the zeitgeist of the artificial intelligence era. The tides turned so drastically that people, unironically, began deserting Google for Bing. Little did they know, the war had only just begun. Fast forward to December 7th, 2023. The stage is set, and you're about to witness the unveiling of Google's highly anticipated Gemini model. This is the Code Report, and I'm here to guide you through the mind-blowing revelations. Not just a language model, but a beast trained on text, sound, images, and video. Brace yourselves as Gemini showcases its prowess in real-time video recognition. A duck drawn, recognized, and confirmed by the AI. It even plays the game of find the ball under the cup and connects the dots like a digital Picasso. But that's not all. Gemini goes beyond language and visuals. It's a master of multiple outputs, generating images, music, and even deciphering complex logical problems. Picture this: a civil engineer capturing land, and voila! Gemini crafts blueprints for a bridge, making software engineers nervous about their job security. Gemini may seem like a dream come true on paper, but as we prepare for its release on December 13th, remember, the journey is just beginning. This has been the Code Report, decoding the future of AI. As we delve deeper, the excitement amplifies. Gemini isn't just a model, it's a family of models. Ultra for the Herculean tasks, Pro for the versatile challenges, and Nano for those on-device quests. That's it for today's deep dive into Google Gemini. If you're as excited as I am, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. The future of AI is here, and Gemini is leading the way. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of technology.